Good day everyone, how has been your day? Hope you are all doing well. Today we want to talk about places in the community. Places in the community in Yorùbá. A fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn agbègbè ní èdè Yorùbá. Àwọn agbègbè ní àdúgbò. Where do we go in our community? Ibo là ń gbé? Ibo là ń lọ níbẹ̀? Now listen to the words one by one, both in Yoruba and English. School, ilé ẹ̀kọ́. School, ilé ẹ̀kọ́. Market, ọjà. Market, ọjà. Hospital, ilé ìwòsàn. Hospital, ilé ìwòsàn. Church, ilé ìjọsìn. Church, ilé ìjọsìn. Community, àdúgbò. Community, àdúgbò. Here we also have the neighborhood. You can also call the neighborhood àdúgbò. And we also have the mosque. Mosque. Mosque is like a church also. We can also call it ilé ìjọsìn. So that's it. So some keywords, some action words for it are to pray, gbàdúrà. To pray, gbàdúrà. To be or to assist. To assist, wà. Ọmọ náà wà. The boy is assisting. Ọmọ náà wà. Somewhere, ibì kan. Now let's practice the sentences together. Let's practice the sentences. I went to my school. I went to my school. Mo lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ mi. Mo lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ mi. Mother went to the market. Mother went to the market. Màmá lọ sí ọjà. Or we can say, my mother went to the market. Màmá mi or ìyá mi lọ sí ọjà. Ìyá mi lọ sí ọjà. My mother went to the market. We are praying in the church. We are praying in church. À ń gbàdúrà ní ilé ìjọsìn. We are praying in church. À ń gbàdúrà ní ilé ìjọsìn. The hospital is somewhere. The hospital is somewhere. Ilé ìwòsàn wà ní ibì kan. Ilé ìwòsàn náà wà ní ibì kan. The hospital is somewhere. Ilé ìwòsàn náà wà ní ibì kan. So the activity on it is that draw your school or the market and label it in Yoruba. Thank you very much. This is Mike Yorùbá Language Academy.